There is no wrong way to heal. The healing journey was designed to meet you where you are, not where you think you should be. This series is an invitation, a quiet space for you to explore what it means to come home to yourself. Today, we'll talk about how to use these episodes in a way that truly supports you at your own pace. So, let's begin slowly. I know the temptation can be to binge watch, to rush toward the finish line, but healing isn't a race. I encourage you to watch just one episode at a time. After you finish one, give yourself space. It could be an hour, a day, or even a week. Let the ideas settle. Use this time to rest, to reflect, and simply to breathe. Healing takes time because you are literally building new, healthier pathways inside your mind and body. Remember to watch slowly, rest often, and repeat any episode as many times as you need. There's no schedule here but your own. Next, I invite you to use your senses. True healing doesn't just happen in your head. It's a full body experience. As you watch and reflect, engage your physical self. Perhaps you could diffuse some calming lavender oil and focus on your breath. Maybe light a favorite candle before you open your journal. You could even gently stretch or move your body before you sit down to write. When you involve your senses, smell, touch, sight, you send a powerful message to your nervous system. You're teaching it, moment by moment, that you are safe to feel again. Safety isn't just a concept. It's a felt experience, built through the senses. And finally, a crucial point. Pause when it hurts. Some of these episodes might stir up difficult memories, emotions, or a sense of grief. That is completely normal and okay. It's a sign that you are touching upon something that needs care. When this happens, I want you to feel empowered to pause the video. Place a hand on your heart or your chest. Take a deep breath and gently say to yourself, I am safe right now. You can return to the video when you feel ready, whether that's in a few minutes or a few days. Please hear this. Healing is not a test you can fail. It's a process of returning to yourself with kindness. In the next episode, we'll explore the resources that support you, the tools, communities, and rituals that can walk beside you on this path. If this resonates with you, please subscribe to continue the healing journey. And don't forget to download your companion healing bundle to follow along at your own pace. Thank you for being here. Go slow. Go gentle. Go home to yourself.